Dave Edmunds had a Christmas #1 hit, which I've updated for you to bridge. Now lockdown's been hard, I've even started talking to myself. Come on in, the good folk want to hear the song. Okay, well, do you want to start it off? You count us in, we'll come in together. Okay. If you come around with a cough, I'm gonna tell you to naff off. I hear you knocking, but you can't come in. I hear you knocking, go back where you've been. If you've got a fever, just go on home. I'm isolating on my own. I hear you knocking, but you can't come in. I hear you knocking, go back where you've been. Lockdown has to be the long haul. We're not seeing anyone at all. I hear you knocking, but you can't come in. I hear you knocking, go back where you've been. Let's beat COVID and stop the spread. No one wants to wind up dead. I hear you knocking, but you can't come in. I hear you knocking, go back where you've been.